As we wake up along the Bukhangang River, another day of adventure begins on our backpacking journey in South Korea.
Good morning. First 3 kilometres this morning, Saturday morning. Uphill, 8% grade, 1 kilometre. Oh yeah, it's hard to follow Clint Eastwood's statement of keep the old boy out, because I'm feeling a little bit old. I'm hoping we get stronger quickly.
Some nice sculptures here. They remind me a bit of the sculptures I've seen in Scotland, these horses.
Get a load of this. Someone's been really busy. A lover of Transformers and art. A really good job. See?
Just grabbing some breakfast and hopefully a coffee here at the bakery. Second tunnel, only a short one. Some more pretty cherry blossoms. Another water skier. Probably a pretty popular spot in some town. Let me just film.
It's okay. Morning. We're on the right track. Now this over here is pretty popular along this summer section. There's a one-par golf course. I don't know how they play it, whether they just play it with a putter or a 9-iron or what.
Gorgeous colours. Magnolia tree, I think.
We're just up in the hills, and it's Saturday. It's very quiet today. Roads aren't that busy. Bicycle path is very still. A few groups of high speeders, but it's a warm day too. But all in all, we're very quiet. We are feeling the effort a bit today. There's not many parts of me that's not aching.
Travelling through Gapyeong. With a nice little bit of downhill.
Oh, it's very dark. I could only turn the GoPro on when we got close to the end. It's about 300 metres long, this one. Lovely and cool. Could set up tent in here. It seems to be all uphill today. We have to come back on this same track to get back to our main path. Hopefully it'll be all downhill, because this is all uphill today. All uphill. Now this looks level, but it's slightly uphill. Making use of the sun, solar panel pathway, great idea. Should be all the way.
We're here at a guest house in Gapyeong. I'll show you on the map where we made it today. So, yesterday we came off this bike trail here and we headed north. We camped somewhere along here, so I'll fill that in now. So we went along the Bukhangang river on the bicycle path. There was quite a bit of incline, so I went this way and then decided to stay at the guest house here. Tomorrow we're going to leave our luggage here, so we booked in for 2 nights, and then we'll do this this loop here and come back.
No luggage, this will be fantastic. Picturesque lake.
Here's the house cat taking a liking.
Yesterday.
Too frightened.